What are you doing over there?
I'm sending a T-shirt off to Mr. Don Lipsky.
How come I can't see my logo on that shirt?
Well, because I'm wearing my color vest on.
Oh, your color vest.
Yeah.
Look at that. Looks good there. I like that.
Prospecting. I just don't have my bottom rocker.
Oh.
Yet. What? What's that?
So what are we gonna get for this on the shirt? Does anybody?
I don't know. I'll bet you could sell one or two.
One or two of those maybe,
yeah.
with a Tatro shirt on the back of it. Somebody wants me again.
Does this just set on here at Tatro?
Yeah, you have to stick it on. We're doing shirt order here.
Right in the middle?
That's good. Hello. Perfect. All right, bye. So Alan's in charge of the shipping department around here now.
Where do I drop this off at? No, I'm in charge of customer relations.
Oh, customer relations.
Yes.
I got some new lobes for Alan's military bike, but he doesn't want to put them in.
Here at Tatro Machine, we cannot afford one unsatisfied customer. Right, Walker?
Yeah, we can afford about 8.
Okay, what'd you do over here?
Taking all the valves out because I decided to get a little happy with them. So you can see all the burnt up,
Nothing. There's
all the burnt up aluminum on there.
What's that molten aluminum inside there?
Cylinder head valve.
Yeah, so just gonna have to do a little valve jobber.
I already did a valve job on that. You destroyed it in like 500 miles or something. You think you are me or something? Look at all the molten aluminum on top of that valve right there. Are you going to save the aluminum, put in your aluminum container, your scrap metal? To
Yes, I am. So I can
recycle it?
Yeah, cast up some kicker pedals out of all the leftover aluminum.
Kicker pedal. He looks like he's been kicked in the head a couple times.
Fucking feel like it.
Do you know what you're doing?
Kicked in the back a couple times.
Do you know what you're doing at all?
Yeah.
He's an expert.
I am now.
Well, as many times as he's been in, well, let's see, blowing the motor up.
I think it's the 3rd time now.
3rd time?
3rd time's the charm.
3rd time in a year?
Yeah.
Whose motor's that right there? It looks neat.
Looks good. Looks dialed in.
Whose is
You
that?
think there's any motor in the blower in Tatro?
We took it. We didn't break the cases, but we definitely took it apart.
We had to go in there and look at it. It appears that you got a little bit of a stuff up here in the valve department there. Maybe we have to clean those valves up. See, that's why you put good valves, and the valves are still good.
So what's another $1,000? What the hell?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
500 a cylinder.
500.
Well, we got to do heads though too.
Heads.
The He-Man, he just powered that thing off. You see that?
Yeah.
He ripped that off like he knew what he was
He's
doing.
using your snap-on screwdriver as a prying tool too.
Yeah, I know.
Did you see that?
He's spraying it.
Yeah, I did it because he's the one that showed me how to do it with
Okay,
him.
I'm just
Yeah,
asking.
but I didn't leverage it like that.
Yeah, you did.
No, I
You
didn't.
did this whole thing.
Look at that up there.
You did that whole
Ear
thing.
shot. You got a cool ear shot.
Don't even see me doing the proper work over here. Just filming my fucking ear. Sorry for swearing.
No, you're not.
You're right.
Yep.
What's that?
So how's your packing department up here, sir?
It's done. Where do you drop that off now?
You finished?
Yeah.
It's all packed up, ready
Where
to
do
go?
you drop it off at?
First class mail. Boom, right there, ready to go.
Where would I drop it off at? Can I drop it into a mailbox?
Yeah, just throw it in a mailbox.
Any mailbox.
Scooby was here.
Even with
Oh, there's a rat. There's a dead rat down there.
even that UPS, you drop that at the mailbox?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, not UPS. That's the post office.
But U.S. Postal Service.
U.S.
Okay.
Post
I
Office.
got you. Okay.
See, I got to put your cams in here. Go a little faster.
I got to get a transmission fixed first.
You want a transmission?
Yeah, we need to build transmissions.
Alan wants me to buy this. What'd you want me to buy?
That.
Oh, one of these?
No. Yeah, that's $2,300.
$2,300. I can buy a whole bike for $2,300. He wants me to buy one of these for my bike right there. Except that's not my bike. That's Dave's bike. How come your bike don't look that good?
It's going to.
Look at that. He's got a gun. See that gun right there?
I don't
It's
like
right
guns.
there.
Guns are too loud.
There's one. He wants me to put that in the front of my... Will that allow me to still do wheelies if I put that in the front of my bike?
It's about 6 pounds.
6 pounds?
Yeah.
What if I get a duck?
6 pounds of freedom.
That's right. He should know. Look, we could have got cool shirts like this with Harleys on them.
No, that's dumb. Who would buy that? I got something to show you. I'll be back.
Dumb. Alan thinks I'm dumb.
No, I said.
So here's our shirt department right here. Where's Scooby at? Where you at, Scooby? There's Scooby's bed under there. Scooby's under there. There's Scooby. Look at that. There's a dog under there. Oh, that's Scooby's bed. I'm looking him up. He likes these right here. Here's what Scooby likes. Where they at? Yeah, this is it right here. He likes these. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that. That looks like a dead rat. Was that a dead rat? Oh, he wants that. What is that? What's up there? Don't tear up them shirts there. Oh, he'll like it. What? What do you got? What's that? What's that? Oh, look at that. Oh, he's all over that. He's all over that one. Is that a rat? Get that rat. Get it. Get it. Yeah, he likes them rats. Oh, look at that. He's tearing that thing to shreds over there. What do you got going on back there? Oh, did you get that rat? Who's going to clean that all up? Get the rat. There's a rat. I got a rat. There's a rat. I got a rat right there. Yeah, Scooby's having fun. Yeah. You didn't think he could jump that high, did you? Got a whole bunch of these in here. I saved these for him. He likes, oh, this is a good one here. He'll like that one. Oh, look at that. Whoa. Oh, look at that. Damn, good thing my foot wasn't there. Oh, get over there. Get over there. Get him. Get him. Get him. Look at him. Get that rat. Get him.
Even the rear one.
Look at that rat. Look at that rat. Yeah, you watch him toes down there. He'll eat them. Yeah, look at that. He's going to get that rat.
I must have been running.
What do you got? I don't want that.
That's like the only thing I can think of.
Did you get that?
Just running too late for
Look at that rat. Where'd he go?
Had an air leak.
Hey, don't eat up the darn. That's his shirt. Don't eat his shirt up. Scooby's going for your shirt there. Scooby wanted that. How's that, Scooby? Scooby's all tired now. Look at that. Did you get that rat? Did you get that rat? Where's he at? Oh, what's that?
30-06 M1 Garand rifle
Oh, it's a Grand?
for the scabbard.
Too long.
This could go.
You have to shut it down. You have to shorten it a little bit.
Well,
Thompson's a lot shorter.
that's a director of civilian marksmanship.
Thompson's
rifle.
only this long, right from about here
I
to
know,
here.
but that's the finish you're looking for.
Used?
Well, right out of the government surplus.
Mm-hmm.
Really?
I fired. They sent it right to me out of Anniston Army Depot.
Oh, this is one of those new ones they had, one of the new old stock ones they had?
No, every American citizen can own a rifle from the government.
Mm-hmm.
So you shoot in a sanctioned match, pay your money, wait your length of time, and they'll pull it right out of the arsenal and send it to you. Yeah.
I want that information.
Well, the DCM shooting match.
DCM shooting.
Yep.
Huh?
Yeah, it's a nice piece. It's a Springfield.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. I'd like to go shoot it. We'll go shoot it.
Get your finger
How
in there?
much is it? to go
Well,
shoot?
I've had this about 20 years. It was like $165 then, but they're real reasonable. Did you train with one of these in the Marines? Probably not.
No, we had the M16A2 service rifle.
So.
Was that birdshot?
No.
That birdshot. Isn't that a?
Was there a
that's
rat?
shotgun.
Was there a rat up there?
That's a shotgun rifle.
Oh, look at that! You put holes in the wall.
No. So.
What's that dog doing? What do you got down there? Scooby wants something. I wonder what Scooby wants. I think Scooby wants something out of this box over here. Ooh. Oh, he's got. Oh, he'll like these. He likes these guys. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Get that sucker.
Don't tease them, Tatro. Give them some bubble wrap.
This is awesome, dude.
Oh. Look at that.
For sure, we can make the same.
Look at that.
Go all the way back.
Scooby's gonna get that. Get that. Get that rat.
Charges it, and then you will put top steady.
And then it goes cling when you're done.
So then to release it, you pull it back. They talk about M1
Yeah.
thumb. It'll come and bite your thumb.
Yeah, if you're
So you have to put your thumb in there. and just give it down a little bit, and then
Oh, I'm not even gonna fuck with that.
well, it'll go forward.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. Of course, now it's charged.
Look at that dog go. There's a rat in there.
That's your
That one almost got away. He almost got away, didn't he? Yeah.
Awesome.
beautiful gun.
Yeah.
Mind if I take a photo of it?
You can do whatever you want.
No, we
like
can't.
I said,
No
this was
photos allowed.
from right out of the military.
Yeah, dog. That dog's tired. Come on, get up here. Come on, get up here.
Come
Come on, get up here. Yeah.
Oh, sure.
That's a good boy.
That's
Yeah.
actually around in 1964.
Ooh, he's all worked up a sweat.
or
He's all woken up now.
1964, the real
Yeah.
ones
What
were
are you gonna do?
40.
What are you gonna do? Get that rat. Get him. Yeah. Where's that rat? Get that rat. 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 Get that rat.
Definitely.
Yeah, he made a big mess. You're making a big mess under
But
that.
that was the thing, in the trenches like that.
Yeah.
Hit a butt stroke, and
You want some fresh stuff.
Yeah, it's
on it
got,
and
that's
everything
crazy.
else.
Where's your bayonet?
I don't have a bayonet for it.
Why is this thing so small? That's not big enough to do anything.
It's
Long
put
distance.
many a big hole in many a fucking Nazi head.
Thompson's got a lot bigger bullet hole than that.
No?
Yeah, they are.
Do you shoot much?
Well,
you know,
those-
recreational.
Yeah.
Those some?
Yeah, no, I've got a
What you got down there,
shotgun
Scooby?
and a Glock that I use. I'm
What do you want?
building an AR-10.
What do you want?
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
You want something else out of this box? What do you got left up here?
These are three already.
We'll get one.
They're pretty big, though.
Look at that.
And the thing is that
Oh, we got dog's dangerous. Get up here, get that sucker. Get it. Oh, he almost got my hand. He almost got my hand. Oh, he's almost got my hand. Look at that, there's a rat down there. Look at that rat. Get that rat.
these are the ones that are used in Thompson.
Look at that dog.
They're just
Get that rat. Get him.
big and slow.
Hurry up, get him.
These are high power and so don't end
Yeah, look at all
up
that.
tearing up more.
There's a rat. There's got dead rat remains everywhere. Where'd you get that? Get that rat.
Been down to unknown.
Get that one.
Yeah, that's where I got my.
Those guys are bad to the bone down there.
Yeah, that's
Scooby's
where I
making
got
a mess.
I got the jig and everything.
Scooby's making a mess. Yep. There you go. Get that sucker. Get him. Yeah, there you go. What did you get? Did you get him? Did you get that rat? Did you? What? Whoa, you got there. What do you got?
Yeah.
I did this all myself.
Look at that. What? What? What do you want? What? You're happy now.
Hey, what's going on?
Yeah, Scooby's happy. Alright, well I gotta clean up the mess around here. I guess we gotta hide our guns now. Don't tell California that we have weapons here. We'll be in trouble. Alright, there you go. Alright, so Alan right here is drinking again.
Yeah, thirsty.
And he wants me to work on this stupid 45 for some reason. I don't know why. So we got this 4-speed 45 gearbox kit we're going to put in this bike. So we have a lot of instructions here they gave us somewhere. So we got to make this fit. So they say you have to modify the side cover here to make room for the gear set. So it's up to us to figure out what we got to do. The first thing you got to do, it does not fit here because there's no room for it. So that means you got to go over here, this hole. And I'm assuming that the problem with that fitment is it hits on these parts right here that stick up in the air. And it doesn't recess down inside of here like it's supposed to, like the stock gear set would. So we're going to go ahead and cut this out here. Hopefully there's enough room. It's going to get thin out there, isn't it?
Did you tell them what we're doing? We're putting the fourth gear into a 45 3-speed transmission.
Is that what we're doing?
We bought the fourth gear kit.
You only bought one gear?
Well, it goes in place of the reverse gear.
It goes where this one goes. Yeah. You done drinking? Well, drink. Don't put that thing on top of my steel bench. You need to be a freshman. You're looking kind of parched over there. Okay, so here's a 4-speed gear set, cluster gear. So that basically goes right there. So now we got to figure out where this gear here goes relative.
Well, give them a little history on the 45
So
transmission.
these two
though.
gears you would think are going to have to line up. So we're going to cut this trap door away, but we don't know how much to cut it. We're going to have to do a mock-up and figure it out. But so it looks like there's the thrust washer goes against that, but this doesn't have a thrust washer on it. So So I'm not sure how they set the in-play on this thing. It'd be nice if they had instructions, but they don't. So it uses the stock main shaft right there. There. Which everything fits right on there. So the stock gear would heat up against that. But I don't know if they're going to have a washer here between here and here, or just going to be that depth. I got to figure out how much material you got, thickness here. 146, call it 150 down. $200. So how much was that? So you got 285. If you got 485, you take off 200, the distance from here to here. From there, that gives you how much?
485 minus 200 is 285.
It's 280. And this is how deep? 150. What's that leave? It's 130. So that's an 1/8 inch thick when we're done.
Is that good enough?
It's going to have to be.
I'm not doing any power shifting like you are, but you're going to build a trans for yours, though.
Well, I don't know how much we need to do, so we can either butcher your cover or I can butcher one of my covers.
All right, well, that one ought to be a good candidate.
Yeah, so it's either you cut this thing full depth or you don't. Now, I'm assuming that this stuff mounts flush on the gears, see? You would think.
I would say from the looks of this, it would have to go full depth.
So this here has a distance here up from this surface, so I would say we come up whatever the height that is from the base of this. Would be a good indicator where to run it at. Plus a little clearance. So that's 100 thou. So we can leave a 40 thou maybe of a lip right here to give a little extra material. Because they don't really tell us what we're going to need. I don't know until I put together what I need.
What rides on this boss here?
That's for the idler gear. It goes for the for the reverse gear, which we're not using.
Because the military bike did not have a reverse.
So you have 45, you have reverse gear, 1, 2, 3. They've changed this to be 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what they did. Because the Trinity always had provision for a gear here. It just was a reverse setup. So the low gear was here. We just moved the low over to here is all they did. But the gear is a lot bigger, so we have to cut this all out. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do some modifications over here in the mill. So the first thing I do is make room.
Hey, what's that on the mill?
A piece of chrome crap.
Okay, you said it. I don't want to insult the customer.
He
He might be watching.
No, I don't care. He can watch all he wants. I already told him.
Because we're not big on chrome here at Tatro Machine.
That's only about 10 hours of work fixing that piece of crap.
That's about what, $1,000?
Yeah, well, if I actually got paid for working.
Huh?
If I actually got paid it.
Well, come on, talk to the viewing audience here.
It's called It's Broken, I Fix It. That's what it's called.
Brother. Look at all this specialty stuff.
I gotta move all this crap out of the way to get to where we can work in the mill. And Ella doesn't want to work, so.
Well, I'm a better filmer, but I'm not a machinist by trade.
See, I had to pay $300 to get all this tooling made.
Yeah, but we've got a big order of those chrome wheels coming in. We're going to do them 1,000 a week.
Yeah, great.
Times 1,000 a piece. Hell, that's $100 grand a.
That'd be $1 million.
Yeah.
You're not good on that.
Not really, no.
I can tell.
I barely made it through high school.
Maybe that 1,000 wheels is only one wheel too. So.
Yeah. All right.
I
Well.
think that's right there.
All right. So.
See, we got a long wrench. That's how you tighten.
Okay. Who made this piece up for you?
Matt, that's machine shop.
Pretty nice.
Megular Manufacturing Company. Nasty City. So if you need one, he has a CAD drawing for this. He water jetted this out.
Wow. Very nice.
So it fits my rotary table. So now instead of having a 18-inch rotary table, I have a 27-inch rotary table.
Very nice.
Look at that marking now. This is a piece of aluminum, but it's still heavy.
Wow. Here, can you hold this for a minute? I got to get the stand because I'm wobbly.
Alan's getting tired, that's why.
No, I'm just used up.
So luckily I had a bunch of through bolts that I had laying around.
Used up.
We had to figure out what I needed to use. So luckily when I buy stuff, I buy in bulk. There goes one of those we might need someday. So you always buy extra stuff, because you never know when you need it. So I used a bunch of this stuff here. Somebody just dropped this. Oh, I got dirt in it now too. There you go, clean it off. So I got, oh, that's a specialty one. That must be this one over here. Yeah, that's that one. So I bought everything this company had left in inventory before they went out of business. So all these parts, I never knew what to do with them. And luckily I had a whole bunch because I wound up using these long ones. I used these ones, I used those ones. I used a whole bunch of them things. Oh, there's some panhead tool in there. That's top secret stuff. What are you doing over there?
Nothing. I got my.
You gonna beat me with that big stick?
No, no.
Is that a selfie stick?
No, it's
How big is this rotary table?
18 inches.
It's heavy. 18 inches?
Yeah,
I got an 18-inch scale right here. There's an 18-inch scale. I can hold 3 thou tolerance with this 18-inch scale. No, you were wrong. It's not 18 inches.
16 inches.
They're cheating on a 16. It must be metric. It's actually 15 and 5/8.
It's pretty nice.
So yeah, they're cheating.
Where would a guy get something like that?
I don't know, but you better have lots of money.
Oh, I bet you.
Just came out of GW when they went under in the 90s.
Where?
Down at GW, General Dynamics,
Oh,
downtown. Remember them?
I do not.
They used to build aircraft down there.
No, I do not.
Yeah. It's like 5 blocks down there next to Solar.
What was it called?
General Dynamics.
Oh, GD.
GD.
That's GD. You said GW.
I said GD.
I heard you say GD.
But play back that video.
DG, whatever.
DG is deposed granite? No, that wasn't it.
Okay, let's.
Yeah, I got these workbenches there. I got all kinds of crap down there.
That's all gone.
Now they got a bunch of.
All right. Well, I don't know why it shut off.
The battery's fully charged in its battery, and Alan killed the video, so we lost some video there. So whatever you didn't see, too damn bad.
Okay. Well, you were talking about how you dropped this thing on your toe,
That's right.
and it weighs 300 pounds, and
You just go like this.
it put a dent in the floor. Holy shit!
You go like that.
That thing's heavy.
It is? You notice I didn't pick it up?
Now you're talking.
I bought this from Hammond Machine, remember them?
Yep. Up on India Street.
Yep. It's one of my better purchases. It was hidden in the back and nobody knew about it.
Boy, that thing is nice.
You see right now, it's going to slide down the back if I'm not careful.
Boy, and it's strong too. Huh, wow.
It's heavy.
It's got to weigh about 300 pounds.
Probably does. I used to pick it up.
Back in the bad old days.
Back when I had a bad back.
You and Butch,
Now I got a real bad back.
when Butch bought his 61 Panhead brand new.
I got this tile from them too.
Did you?
Yeah.
That's nice stuff.
First batch of it, and I bought a batch from another guy too. There you go.
Okay, out of the way.
What are we going to do with this plate?
I don't know. I got a feeling we got a whole nother run of those wheels on their way in.
I don't think so.
You could be wrong. By the time that guy's friends see that with the magic that you've done on those wheels, look at those things.
That YouTube video is going to have you doing all kinds of them?
They're a work of art.
Yeah,
Chrome too.
pain in the ass to work on.
You hadn't been cheap when you bought that Lagoon lathe, you would have bought the power lift.
Well, power lift's not going to be faster than this, does it? I don't need to go to the gym now, though.
No, I don't think so. When one arm gets tired, just switch to the other.
That's right. Keep switching back and forth.
What's the throat on that? How deep can you go on that?
Pretty big.
I was gonna say, I see that. Jeez, look at that.
Ugh, I'm getting tired.
Now he can work without bending over.
Yeah, my zero's in the wrong spot. I don't know why I'm getting hot.
Stuffy
I'm
in
getting hot
here.
flashes.
Stuffy in here. You're thinking about working on Vespas.
That's what it was.
I always say a clean shop is a happy shop.
It is clean around here.
I know it.
Except I don't call the floor being dirty clean.
Well, that's all right. That's where all our money is.
I call that clean. Everything's in the back. I don't see it. It's fine. This is clean though. That's what matters. All right. Now we gotta make this flat. How are we gonna make it flat?
You're gonna have to shim it. Oh. That's easy enough.
Here's somebody did help us out somewhere at one point.
Screwdriver. Probably a snap-on and a hammer. Huh. I was surprised you didn't holler when he used that screwdriver over there, but...
This side here's all bent down.
Well, it's military.
Probably didn't break the case there. Look at that. That whole damn corner's bent down.
We just put a double gasket on it.
Yeah.
Huh? Won't that bring it in?
No.
To tolerance?
This whole cover's all beat to hell. Where'd you buy this thing?
Off the internet.
Next time buy a good one.
There's a clause in there, buyer beware.
You know what it was?
Yep. Should have read the fine print.
You missed that clause?
No. But I know that in life, buyer beware.
Jeez. Damn.
10 after 9. Let's close her down.
Okay. What's the gap I got in there? Still got a big gap in there, see it?
Yeah. Boy, only you would notice that. That would have never crossed my mind.
Just not even touching it. This is 3.
Jeez.
This thing needs to be machined. I'll come back and machine that. Right now I'm gonna work off the other areas.
Huh.
That thing's way in the air. That thing took a big hit right there.
They
Somebody,
dropped it or
something's happened there.
gunshot maybe?
Took a big hit.
Tatro.
I didn't do it.
Aloha. What was I gonna say? I totally forgot.
Not
Because
much.
you're just blasting me in the eyeballs.
Okay, we'll come
Never
back
mind.
and
I mean,
work on
I'll
this
look on
later.
computer
So
for stuff.
Walker wants me to go do something for it.
All right, here we go. Shut her off.
So we'll jig that up later.
All right, here we go. Good night.